Welcome to Pintoria, your trusted painter and decorator in London. With over 25 years of experience, we specialize in transforming spaces with precision and style. At Pintoria, we offer a comprehensive range of services to meet all your painting and decorating needs. Interior painting and decorating. Revitalize your living spaces with our expert touch. Exterior house painting. Enhance your property's curb appeal and protect it from the elements. Wallpaper installation and 3D wall printing. Add texture and personality to your walls, door and window painting. Ensure every detail of your home exudes quality. Commercial painting and decorating. Create inviting and professional environments for your business. Decorative finishes. Introduce unique textures and finishes for a bespoke look. Consultation services. Receive personalized advice to bring your vision to life. Our process ensures exceptional results. Consultation and color selection. We provide expert guidance on trending color schemes, surface preparation, meticulous sanding, filling, and priming for a flawless base. Application techniques, utilizing brush, roller, or spray painting for even coverage. Final inspection and cleanup, ensuring a spotless professional finish. Choosing Pintoria means benefiting from expertise. Over 25 years of industry experience, quality materials. We use trusted brands like Dulux, Farrow and Ball and Little Greene. Eco-friendly solutions. Committed to sustainable practices with Low-VOC paints. Fully insured and certified public liability cover for complete peace of mind. Tailored designs, customized solutions for homes, offices and retail spaces. Our clients' satisfaction speaks volumes. Pintoria transformed our home beyond our expectations, professional and meticulous. Sarah L., London. Our office now reflects the vibrant energy of our brand, thanks to Pintoria. Mark T., London. Ready to transform your space? Contact Pintoria today for a free quote. Address 19 Mascots Close, London, NW 26 nanoseconds, UK phone 07386637931. Email info@pintoria.co.uk. Website www.pintoria.co.uk. Pintoria, painting and decorating London with excellence. Experience the art of transformation with Pintoria.